Yeah, I don't think so. Yeah, drug alcohol alternative to jail time or prison time. Well, you don't have a license, but we expect you to get a job. See the Gulf. See the mail inside. The Gulf. Party guy just coming out there. Nice little yacht.
This is the old town. We can find the old town. That's it. Very like from.
Is the red typhoon? Is the
I've been in St. Pete Beach. It was so bad that you couldn't hardly stay.
哦，这个沙滩特别的白，跟盐一样。The trails. Oh. Oh. Okay. Thank you. Oh.
going burrowing under?
Yeah. Dig into the sand.
See the boots that we do around town, the different businesses. So that shows you a little bit about Holmes County.
What's Waits? It's
Waits was a family that had big money in lumber. So that's my Honda.
Oh.
BMW.
Another bicycle.
Something 1,000 on. So that's when I bought me a new bike because I had wore that one out.
Okay.
And then the other one is a BMW, like a twist made right there. So we got the kitchen.
Oh, I like the big kitchen.
Yeah, and dining room. More clutter. Than usual. We have little nieces and nephews. They come and play.
Oh, that's it.
Dylan pianos.
2 pianos.
Yeah, so we
So-
play at the same time.
Same time. Oh,
Yeah, older.
amazing. I never thought that. It can be like a orchestra.